Those of you in US who refuse to support Simon Ekpa, no be small thing o. And the PM wey be Simon Ekpa don talk say im go put law wey go bend una mouth. No be small thing. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Barnabas Gist. If today na the first time you dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. No be small thing. And before we quickly jump into the ogbonge news wey we get today, may you try and click that subscribe button. If you dey for Facebook dey watch, click a follow button. If you dey Twitter, follow any of our social media handle wey you dey, may you try dey follow us so that you go dey get our updates back to back as e dey hot. Now waka dey go jeje. Now come say tell us come dey talk o. Say why na dey call us na dey say make we come look the PM wey be Biafra Republic government in exile Simon Ekpa is talking. Stop immediately, say I wan lis ten. Wey be small thing o. Na contour say the people wey no support am, remember wetin happen to South Korea. Say most of the people wey no support their struggle, wey no support their freedom, they no be citizens o. Say they renew their document for inside that place o. E come talk say again, say those of you wey dey for US wey be say una no dey support wetin una dey do, una just dey talk. E say im go put law wey go bend una mouth for that side. By that time, now we'll come find how we go come straight that mouth come front. No be small thing, no be small matter. You know, say some things wey we dey talk for here, we dey like bring video to show you the proof. Says na so because we no dey like carry fake news for here. We go show you the video, but the only thing wey you go do for us na to watch am from beginning to end. May you hear everything wey we ourselves talk for here. So I mean, no be like say we just dey pull matter dey come up. Oh yeah, watch the video before we come back and continue.
Those of you who are still very skeptical in supporting your own freedom, I have a message for you. Life is not going to be easy for you when Biafra finally comes. And I'm very, very sure, very, very optimistic that Biafra is coming. And I'm going to tell you a little bit, give you a little bit hint how this Biafra will come. I want you to remember that from the beginning, you have always doubted me. When we started the Biafra Republic government, you doubted me. At the end, you see cabinet, over 113 people. When we started the Biafra administrative office in the United States in Baltimore, you doubted me. Some people even went there to remove the Biafra flag. They say nothing like that existed. It's a lie. It's a propaganda. Yet, it came, we inaugurated the house, and you become a liar as always. You failed. I am still here. We started the Biafra Self-Referendum Convention in Finland, started advertising it. They say it's a propaganda. It is only way to collect money from his unsuspecting members. As if that is not enough. They saw people trooping into Finland. They say that is not true. They saw the way I entered the hall. The love showered on me is unbelievable. And then they begin to panic. They say, oh, the people that came to Finland are idiots. The people that came to Finland are not human beings. The people that came to Finland don't have sense. Of course, you know, they always look for something to talk you down. But we have never deviated one day. We never shaked. We talked about the Biafra Liberation Army. They say it's a lie. He don't have anybody. There is no man anywhere. You only have this boys brigade. Some people even begin to compare the Eastern Security Network picture videos with just a show of the anti-aircraft that we have. One of the anti-aircraft. They say, oh, they are just 4. Today, they have seen battalion, and they have gone to the abyss. I want you to understand that there is nothing I have said that did not come to pass. The only thing remaining is the declaration of Biafra. I am giving you these instances so that for you who are in a better position to fund this liberation, to support the liberation, and you are staying behind the scene and castigating what we're doing, believe me, the consequences is heavy. I want you to understand that in South Korea, those who did not support their freedom are not citizens. You renew your residence permit every year. We are going to have something tougher than that. You see all of you in the US, all of you in America, all of you in Biafra land, believe me, you are going to see law that will bend your mouth. Now, we have been able to inaugurate and unveil the Biafra Liberation Army and all forces of Biafra. And the idea is to make sure we arm them to the teeth. The time we complain about the killings by the Nigeria Terrorist Army Police, DSS, is over. Completely over. We can never complain again. So it is gun for gun. Bullet for bullet. Bomb for bomb. On our land and go back to Nigeria. Those who think that we are going to keep silent when we are being butchered and killed, I'm sorry to disappoint you. I will fight even when I am not breathing. I will continue to fight. But let me tell you, you will not have the opportunity to make me not to breathe. I will destroy the entity called Nigeria as fast as possible. The destruction of Nigeria is to safeguard Biafra people. The destruction of the evil entity, a terrorist entity called Nigeria, is for self-defense of the Biafra people. Women and children will pay the ultimate price by sacrificing many millions of Biafrans for the past years. The difference here is when those people were being sacrificed for one Nigeria, the strategy was a failure. The strategy that led to the sacrifice of many millions of Biafra was a failure. Today, we know better. Nigeria will die silently until Biafra will rise, and the flag will go up. Rise among nations. Some of the people who call themselves Ohaneze, they placed bounty on me. They thought when they placed bounty on me, I will go into hiding. I am still standing here. The funny thing is that the name of the person who placed that bounty, I don't hear him, I don't see him writing again. I don't know where he is. Is he tired of giving bounty on my head? Please ask the cripple Isi Guzoro. Is he tired of putting bounty on my name? Or giving bounty on me? But let me tell you, the more the days, the dangerous will become. This danger we are becoming in order to make sure that our women and children are safe. That they can no longer be scared of going to the market, because the Nigeria terrorist-controlled army will come to burn down their villages.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, no be smart, you know. As you don't see am, say wetin talk for this particular video, and everything wey he talk am with boldness, with no fear. Now your own work to leave your own opinion and leave if you support everything wey he talk. Remember how they do am, may you comment supported. If you get your own agreement, may you still leave am for comment section as we dey go. No be small thing, and make sure say they follow this page, because we are here to bring you ogbonge news. Even though you don't miss am, we will still bring and come give you. May you watch and hear wetin dey go on, and also know wetin dey happen for your area. Okay, my people, we go quickly catch you for the next update. Let's talk about this particular video for comment section. Make sure say they leave your comment section. The updates we dey get now, they say the hope Uzodinma, the governor of Imo State, they panic because say they can't go on wey dey for the state now. No be smart now. The election they approach, they come. Okay, my people, so we'll see Amo, and I will say we'll bring and come give now. We'll see you for the next update quickly.